deep in the Peruvian Amazon. There's a river that literally boils. It's called Timpishka, and its waters can reach 200 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to cook small animals alive if they fall in. What's wild is this river isn't near any volcano. There's no major geothermal source nearby, and scientists still don't fully understand why it's so hot. Some researchers think water is seeping deep underground and heating up, but no one has proven how this heat concentrates so intensely. The local Asháninka people consider it sacred. Some believe it's protected by a powerful spirit, and honestly, it kind of feels like it. A boiling jungle river with no volcano? Earth is so much weirder than we think.